The violence follows an attempt by a faction of the House to impeach the Speaker, Tonye Isenah, who was expected to resign on Monday following pressure on him to do so. Some lawmakers chased journalists covering the House of Assembly away and met behind closed doors. Following their meeting, they announced that they have impeached the Speaker, Mr. Isenah, and replaced him with a lawmaker representing Southern Ijaw Constituency 2, Monday Obolo. The new Speaker spoke to journalists at the end of the sitting.
That have elected me. So arguments and disagreements are part of the lawmaking right. Become experience that the honorable members has given this extraordinary opportunity to a ordinary politician to lead them in the 6th Assembly. I want to appreciate them. I want to appreciate our constituents. Bayelsa expect nothing less than to spread the dividends of democracy. Thank you. It's a house of experience, and we believe that we will consolidate on the gains of this honorable.
Tonye Isenah, in reaction to his alleged impeachment, said that the sitting after the adjournment is illegality. He added that he remains the Speaker of the Bayelsa State House of Assembly.
This morning I went there, and maybe the anticipation everybody was expecting I was going to resign and maybe a Speaker was going to be elected. I got in there, I took all, that was an empty order paper, so I took the normal rituals, addressed members, because since we were sworn in after the elections, we have not gone on recess. We have been waiting. We would have gone on recess even before the primaries. But one reason or the other, we have not gone on recess. So having worked exhaustively and the rest of them, I think that we should have time to rest. So what happened this morning, after addressing everybody, I adjourned the House, synodically.
There is confusion over the leadership of Bayelsa State House of Assembly following the controversial impeachment of the Speaker, Tonye Isenah. Roseline Ebhoramen reporting.